All right, my friends, we are going to start with our Google Meet expectations. So let me share. All right, these are our expectations. Number one is pay attention. I'm going to ask that while we are doing our lessons, that you do your best to pay attention to what's going on. Even if there's stuff going on around you, you might have brothers and sisters that are working, you might have moms and dads that are working. I'm going to ask that you focus on what we're doing. Number two is come prepared. So I'm going to ask you that you bring some stuff and sometimes, and so I ask that you come prepared to our classes. Number three, be respectful. So we're going to use kind words and take turns and listen to each other. And number four is have fun. And I see you, Charlotte. I have not seen Charlotte in a long time. There's Charlotte. Good morning, Charlotte. Haha, I'm back. Haha. You thought you got rid of me last year, but I'm back in kindergarten. I'm moved up to kindergarten. All right, my friends, let's do calendar. You guys ready? All right. Now, yesterday's number was 10. Uh, Show me a thumb if you think you know what today's number will be. 11. Show me a thumb. Let me see. Let me count thumbs. Ansley knows the answer. Asen's ready. Katarina. Katarina, what if yesterday was 10? What's today? Don't forget to unmute your mic. Press the microphone button that it's not red. Katarina, do you see the microphone? You red button? Press it again so that it's not red. Okay, I'll come back to you, sweetie. Oh, Katarina, what if yesterday was 10? What's today?
I don't know.
What number is after 10?
I don't even count that high.
Okay, it's okay. Sophia, can you help her out? What's after 10? 11. Katarina, say 11.
11.
All the numbers go up to 11. So today is September 11. All right, so what is going on? All right, doing weird stuff. Okay. All right. So today is 11. Yesterday was 10. Uh-oh. What does that make tomorrow? Okay, yesterday was 10. Today is 11. What's tomorrow? Show me a thumb if you know what comes after 11. Ansley, what number's after 11? 12. You are correct. So, my friends, let's read that together. Ready? Today is Friday, September 11, 2020. All right, let's write that for our morning message. Today is September 11th. Ansley, yesterday you're telling me today's a special day in your household, isn't it? What's so special about today?
My mom's birthday.
It's your mom's birthday. That's crazy. It was Caden's birthday on Tuesday. That means Caden's 3 days older than your mom. No? Did I get that wrong? All right. All right. Morning message. This is a time when we can share our stories. You can tell us maybe something you like, something you did yesterday. If you have any news, you have anything you want to tell your friends about, show me a thumb about if you have a story that you want to share with your friends for morning message. Asen, do you have a story you want to share, buddy? Go ahead, Asen. Tell us your story.
I gotta think about it.
Okay, I'll come back to you. Who else has a story? Let me see. Sophia, do you have a story? She's like, no. Olivia Ibanez, do you have a story, sweetie? Tell us anything you want. Press the red microphone button so it's not red. Go ahead.
Yeah, my microphone keeps going up and down.
It's okay. Tell us your story. Tell us about something you did yesterday, something you like, anything you want.
Well, one time I was playing, and well, when I'm tired in the middle of the night.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
This time I played Dragon, and I used my CD case to have it in my CD case, so I really used it, and now I think it's right away.
Okay. So we'll say Olivia was playing and then she was tired. Asen, did you think of a story?
Today's show and tell.
Today is show and tell. Today is show and tell. We will I'll tell you at the end of math lesson. It's not show and tell's not right now. It's going to be after lunch. Because I know some of you that were in pre-K, you're used to having show and tell first thing in the morning. We're not going to have show and tell first thing in the morning. All right, next, we get to our 10 frames. We're going to add another counter to our 10 frames. So I am going to move one right over here. All right, show me a thumb if you can count the counters over here.
What?
Michaela, do you think you can count the counters?
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead. Tell us, sweetie, how many counters do you see?
I see 1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Show me a thumb if you agree with Michaela. Is there 4 counters? All right, Michaela, I'm going to try to trick you. All right. How many counters are there now?
There are 1, 2, 3, 4.
There's still 4. What? Okay. I'm going to try to trick you again. How many counters are there now?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 still? All right. What if I did this? How many counters are there now?
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4.
4. It's still 4. So even if I don't take anything away or don't add anything, my number stays the same?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Good job, Michaela. I tried to trick you, but you're like, ha ha ha, not today. All right, we're going to add another tally mark. All right, who can count tally marks? Sawyer looks like he's ready to count tally marks. Are you ready to count some tally marks, good sir? How many tally marks do you see over here? 4. Show me 4 fingers, Sawyer. Any 4? All right, good job. Today is 4th day of school. All right, let's get to our hundreds chart. All right, so we started with 1. Then we moved to 2. Then we moved to 3. Now we're going to move it over. Are we moving side to side or up and down? Caden, are we going side to side or up and down? Which way is the circle going? Side to side or up and down? Caden, so we went from 1 to 2 to 3. Now, so which way are we going? Side to side or up and down? Side to side. Okay. Caden, I know you're smart. I know you're wearing smart pants today, so I'm going to ask you a hard question. All right, yesterday was 3. If we go 1 space over to the right, is our number getting bigger or smaller? Good job. Ha ha ha. All right. Oh, Caden, one last question. What's Monday's number going to be? Because Saturday and Sunday are home days. So when you get back to school on Monday, what is Monday's number going to be? Hold on. It's 4 right now. What's it going to be on Monday? Because we don't count Saturday and Sunday. So what's it going to be on Monday? Is it going to be 5 on Monday? All right, good job. All right, let's go on to weather. Looks like Jane has a window. Jane, what's the weather today? Is it rainy, snowy, sunny, partly cloudy, windy, or cloudy? Jane, what do you think the weather's going to be today, sweetie? Press your red microphone button so I can hear you. What's the weather today? All right, I'll go with that. All right, today's weather is... Did not move for me. Let me try that again. Today's weather is sunny. All right. All right, I'm going to step right there.